lot of people ask me about the difference of a 14 SEER system compared to a 16 SEER. Now, SEER rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. A 14 SEER will cool just like a 16 SEER or 18 SEER. The only difference is the savings on your electric bill. It runs a lot more efficiently. The higher the SEER, the more efficient. But let's say you had a 3-ton unit. A 3-ton is a 3-ton. It's gonna cool about 1,200 square feet, 400 square feet per ton. That doesn't change. Tonnage is measured by British thermal units per hour. So a 3-ton is a 3-ton. No matter what SEER rating it is, you could have a variable speed motor inside the air handler, which will enhance the efficiency, but a 3-ton is a 3-ton. The SEER rating is simply about energy savings. That's it. So if you have a house and you're not sure on whether getting a 14 SEER or a 16 SEER, give us a call. We'll give you free information. The SEER rating changes depending on how much money you want to save. Now, it might be more affordable to go a 14 SEER. They all cool the same. They all have 10-year parts warranties. So I hope this video brought you some good information, and hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, give us a call. 561-531-8623. See the difference today.